Hold a piece of ice in your palm. Let it melt. Feel that slow, controlled surrender to temperature. That is not just cooling. That is a lesson in crystal structure. And if you apply that same precision to a cocktail, you begin to understand why these 10 drinks are worth your attention.
You just spent 45 seconds describing an ice cube. This is why people think mixology Twitter is exhausting.
The best bartender I ever watched worked at a bar in New Orleans. He could tell you the exact angle of a pour before the liquid ever touched the glass. And Maiwa, that is not pretension, that is craft. 1. Pousse-Café. 6 layers, 6 densities. Sugar content is the blueprint. You build it from the bottom up like a staircase goes. Maraschino, chartreuse, cognac, bourbon, Martini de cacao, Grand Marnier, and you drink it from the bottom up. Each sip is a completely different cocktail.
It's basically a liquid staircase. Don't trip.
2. Aviation. Gin, lemon, maraschino, Martini de violet. The violet turns it sky blue. The gin catches the light like shattered glass.
You just described a G&T with lavender. That sounds like a cry for help in a spa.
3. Mai Tai. Trader Vic's 1944 masterpiece. Aged Jamaican rum, orange Kurambangao or Gitois, sweet almond syrup that no self-respecting tiki bar should be without. The garnish is half the presentation. The mint is not decoration. It is a fragrance delivery system.
It looks like something a pirate would order and immediately regret.
4. Bloody Mary. Vodka, tomato juice, Worcestershire, a cathedral of celery and lemon. The most honest drink ever made. It tastes like a punishment and looks like a crime scene.
It's brunch with an identity crisis. And it knows it.
5. Ramos Gin Fizz. This is not a drink. This is a structural triumph. Egg white, cream, gin, lemon, orange blossom water, shaken for 12 full minutes. The proteins create a molecular lattice strong enough to defy gravity. The foam stands taller than the glass itself. A white cathedral of captured air.
12 minutes of shaking for a cloud. Your biceps are doing more work than the gin.
I'm not dignifying that with a response. 6. Classic Martini. Gin, dry vermouth, olive, or twist. The clearest, most honest cocktail in existence. Nothing hides behind it. No sweetness, no color, no garnish beyond a single olive or a strip of lemon oil. Its austerity is its character.
You order this and you are telling the room, I have no personality and I am very proud of it.
7. Grasshopper. Martini de cacao, Martini de mont, cream. It is green, not green like nature, green like a highlighter. It is a dessert pretending to be a digestif.
It's after 8 chocolates in a glass.
I am not dignifying that with a response. 8. Negroni. 1 part gin, 1 part Campari, 1 part sweet vermouth. Equal thirds, equal beauty. The Campari's bitterness hits first, the gin follows, the vermouth lingers. 3 drinks in 1 glass, all in agreement.
3 arguments in 1 glass, and all of them are bitter. That is a board meeting, not a cocktail.
9. Smoked old-fashioned. Bourbon, bitters, smoke. The smoke is not a garnish. It is a variable. You lift the cloche and the smoke escapes at the speed of atmosphere. You taste it before you drink it.
So it is basically smoke with a drink underneath it.
And when done properly, it is the best thing in the room. 10. Sazerac. Rye whiskey, Peychaud's bitters, sugar. You rinse the glass with Pernod first, then discard it. The Pernod rinse is a ghost. It haunts the rim. It does not stay quoi. It influences. Anise undertones that hover without arriving.
You just described a haunting and called it a cocktail.
Anise is an acquired taste. Like the Sazerac itself, you have to work for it. And once it clicks, nothing else compares. 10 cocktails. 10 different arguments about what a drink should be.
Verdict: Mai Tai is the best. And you cannot convince me.
The verdict is beside the point. Every glass is a system, and I find systems worth studying. Maya, I find Mai Tai worth drinking. Noted.